Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly change the direction of the preview pane in Gmail. So as you can see here, right, I have the preview pane at the bottom here of my Gmail, guys. And I can easily change this to maybe put it on the right side or something. And all you have to do is on the upper right hand side of your Gmail account, right below settings, you have a little icon here that says toggle the split pane view. You can easily go ahead and toggle the split pane mode by simple clicking on that, and you are able to really click the drop down here and put it, for example, vertical. It's going to be on the right side. If you click it again, you can put it on the horizontal. So you really have this, guys, how to quickly change the location here of this preview pane if you so desire. Another way is to quickly go to your settings, right? But this is an extra step here, and let's say extra click. So all you would have to do is just go to your settings, scroll down to where you have the reading pane, and you can make the same changes here. But it's good that you have this view right here to quickly make those changes on the upper right hand side. But that's it. You can even turn it off as well. That's all there is to it.